Today I want to talk about the proper use of male and female slide-on plugs. When using male and female quick connects, the most important thing to remember is polarity. You notice you've got a wide blade and a narrow blade. Larger blade's positive, smaller blade is negative. Same on the female side. When using these, you have to make sure that when you put the wire in them, that the positive side of the wire goes to the positive side of the plug. Now all wire, whether it's white, green, or brown, has a smooth side and it has a ribbed rough side. The ribbed side is the positive side of the wire, which then corresponds with the positive side of the plug. So when you put these together, make sure that your positive side of your wire lays in and hits the positive connector inside. Take your slide cap, which has a closed end and an open end, put the open end on and slide it on and make your connection. You'll notice that these plugs come in multiple colors. They come in brown, white, and green to match whatever wire it is you're using. By watching what side you use, you'll have a great connection every time.